What's up with y'all, Smooth Family? Devil in the building once again. So today is another good day. You know, I like to record my first time doing something. So my friend got because of this whole pandemic we living in, he got a workshop for kids, teach them how to make t-shirts and tell them how I can profit them, how they can brand themselves, things like that. That's Create One Society, Create Society. Yeah, bring my daughter, let her work something out, figure out something. We're gonna get it together. I don't know. Hit y'all in a minute, see how we get there. Boom. Yeah, so we here with Christian, Create Society, Creation of Society.
You know, me and Aaron, the only one who didn't go to Houston with Al this weekend, so we out here in the town still. What's up with you, Al, man? Happy birthday.
So what's going on? What you got going on right here, man?
Oh, man, we doing some screen printing right now. We want to teach the children about, you know, the relationship between art and entrepreneurship. You know, and be able to see the difference between the asset and the liability. You know, how we can be a more production-oriented society and leading by example, creating better habits so that, you know, so we can make it a reality.
Right.
So that's what these young people is doing right now. We printing this Oakland Panther right here. So the concept behind this is our history. So when our children think about Panthers, they don't have to think about Disneyland or, you know, or Walt Disney stuff. We can actually know the real history of Black liberation movements and what art meant to Black liberation movements and what the youth means to Black liberation.
Let me fit them.
Lift it up a little bit higher. We want to make sure this whole image is on this board. All right. So we're going to pull this down. You got to pull it as hard as you can. There you go. Good job. And we're going to turn this timer to 50. And so this is going to be drying. Who wants to go next? Who hasn't blinked yet?
Oh, yeah.
You in the back? You ready? Okay.
Ariana, go ahead, Ariana.
We got some shirts over here too. So you find your size shirt, you can go through the printer. So everybody should be able to print because we got a lot of different size shirts over here.
Go ahead, get y'all size shirt. More Ariana. Get y'all size, get y'all shirt.
Which one? Probably the COS.
We'll find your shirt.
You want to do the COS one, right?
It wasn't nothing there.
That was a miracle.
That's the scene.
I remember did you take the picture before he did put the down?
All right, Charlie, you got to take this one off.
Hello.
Separate them.
So we want to make sure that we don't have any creases or wrinkles in this shirt when we do it.
That's what he
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Good job.
Who did this?
Today is actually his birthday. Happy birthday, Kalani. Okay, so we use this tag right here to make sure that we're centering it right. So what this tag is showing us is that we can kind of move it over just a little bit to the right so that it can be better centered. So this part right here is very hot, so we don't want to touch this and we don't want to touch this. We want to only touch. So that will take about maybe a minute to 30 seconds. Like you've been doing it for a long time. You're a natural. Yeah, real good. Touch it and make sure that is it still a little warm? Is it too warm for you to hold? Still a little too warm? I will let that cool off for a little bit. Who's next?
Go ahead, Demarion.
What's your name? Demarion?
What's wrong with you, bro? Like you act all sad and down, bro.
It's probably because it's raining outside.
Oh, pick yourself up, bro. No, cause I heard you was mad about coming. Don't turn around on me, fool.
Okay, so do you know what image you want to use? Or out of all these, we have this the COS image. We got the Black Panther over there, and we also have some heat press. Which I think a heat press is pretty good. Actually, I really like how yours came.
Show me, let me see how I look.
Really good. Yours looks really good.
Oh, nice shirt.
That's yours.
you been gone.
Ready? All right, so you're gonna lay yours right on here.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have to cut this out.
Yours. Huh? Okay. That's mine.
No, I'm gonna make you one. You was gone. You make you one next, okay? That's hers,
We
baby.
gotta find the scissors. Here we go. Scissors. So I'm gonna cut this out.
I want
Just cut out in a specific kind of
Now
way,
you
or
do yours.
just kind of like a circle.
Okay. Let me do hers. First, where's hers? We need to do hers now.
Oh, that's the one for white paper. I mean, white shirts.
Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
That one got some paint on
Let me
it.
see your phone.
Let's not use that one, man.
Let me see your
Unless you
phone.
want to.
So what was the reasoning behind this workshop?
This workshop was producing habits that are aligned with constructive unity. So it's just an alignment thought process, something we've been doing for a while, and just working towards making it more children orientated. So, we can show our children different habits that are positive but productive.
So how important is personal or self-branding?
Self-branding. I think self-branding is just as important as acknowledging that we children of the Most High.
So is it important that our kids know how to brand themselves, how to market themselves, or just to go through basically clueless?
Nah, of course not that. We want our children to understand that they are gods and that, within that capacity that they are sovereign. And that their creativity is a gift and it's an expression of themselves. So being able to give them the tools that they need so they can maximize their creativity is allowing them to be truly who they are.
Okay. Got anything else to add?
Create society. Let's get it going. Let's do it. Show up. We out here. Put some paint where it ain't.
Is this gonna be every Monday and Friday?
Every Monday and Friday. We do 2 classes both days, every Monday, every Friday. To infinity and beyond.
Oh yeah, man. So we back home now, man. Oh yeah, shout out to Nora the barber for getting me right while we was up there. Shout out to Christian with Creation of Society. Thanks for inviting me and my family up there. It was a great experience. My daughter loved it. She went her own screen press. Yeah, that was the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I put his Instagram in my description. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more videos coming soon. All right, y'all have a good one.